One of the awesome things you get out of taking this course is a certificate you can display online when you've completed it. On LinkedIn, you can add this certificate to your profile to build your online resume and enhance your ability to get a job using these skills that you've learned in this course. You can add the certificate once you've got it. If you scroll down on editing your profile, you can then click on add a certificate, and you can then put everything in that you get from the certificate here. Where you get the certificate, you have a bar on the top of your course. Now, since I'm the instructor, it doesn't show on this course. You will have a bar up here that shows you how close to finishing the course you are, how many lectures you've completed on the course. So when you go through each lecture, this bar will continue to fill up. And then there's a little trophy at the end of it. Once you've filled the bar and completed every lecture in the course, you get a trophy. Once you click on the trophy, Udemy will give you your certificate. It will give you a certificate you can print out, and it will also give you a link online that you can use to fill in this information on LinkedIn. And if any employer or web platform like Upwork asks for your certificate link, you can give that exact link, which will show proof that you've completed the course on Udemy and will give you something tangible to show that you've gotten out of this course. Now, if you want a shortcut, which you're in a hacking course, it's certainly possible you might want a shortcut. On the trophy is based on completing the lectures. Well, if you click on a lecture, all you have to do is click on this little check button down here to hit mark as completed. So you hit mark as completed, and then it registers that you've completed the lecture. So theoretically, you could just go through and hit mark as completed on every single lecture and then get your certificate that way. Now, you might not learn anything, but that's up to you. You can still get your certificate even without watching any of the lectures in the course. This is helpful in case you go to watch the beginning of a lecture and you decide, okay, I don't need to watch the whole thing. You can mark it as completed and move on. Or if you watch, say, like this, it has a little green circle in it. That means it's not completed. You can see these lectures are completed. I've watched the entire lecture on both of these, and what you ultimately need are green check marks on every lecture in the course to get your trophy. Well, if you watched part of a lecture and it didn't register as completed, you can just go back, bring that lecture up, and hit completed right away, so that then you can bring up your certificate. I appreciate you watching this and hope this is useful for you in showing off what you've learned in this course in a tangible way that other people can see.